Get Fit Friday. Today, Melanie and David were demonstrating bird dog. Now, they are on their hands and knees on the ground. I am on my hands and knees on the bed. So if you have mobility issues and getting up and down off the ground is kind of hard, you can do this on like a firm surface, a bed or a recliner. Just make sure the surface is firm because you don't want to be in a feather bed because you won't get good support. Now, my bird dog is old and retired. So I'm still going to do what I can with what I got. And what they're doing is they're lifting up their right arm and their left leg, and then they're lifting up their left hand, left arm, and their right leg. Now I can't get it high up there, but I can do something. Now I'm on my bed and I have my feet hanging off the bed. And again, I'm gonna lift my left hand with my right leg. Not for too long, but it is moving. Left leg, right hand. Right leg, left hand. This takes balance and coordination. But do what you can with what you got, because all we want you to do is just keep moving. Thank you for watching.